In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an Android phone to a Samsung TV. First, you need to connect the Android phone and Samsung TV to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial because both devices need to communicate over the same network for the connection to work properly. On your TV, navigate to the Settings menu, often found under Network Options, to check which Wi-Fi network it is currently connected to. Make sure you note this down. Next, take your Android phone and go to the Settings, then find the Wi-Fi section. Look for the same network name as the TV. If they are not connected to the same network, select the correct one and enter the password. Once both devices are on the same network, you are one step closer to connecting them. Now swipe down on your Android phone to open Quick Settings. This is where you can access various shortcuts for settings and features. You will see several icons such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Do Not Disturb. Look for the option labeled Smart View, Cast, Screencast, or Screen Mirroring, depending on your Android version and manufacturer. This feature allows you to share your phone's screen contents with the TV. Tapping on it brings up a list of available devices that you can connect to. It's a straightforward process, and you are almost there. Next up, select your Samsung TV from the list that appears on your screen. Once you tap on the TV's name, your phone will attempt to connect to it. This step is important because it ensures you're directing the display to the correct device. You might see a loading or connecting icon while the phone establishes a connection with the TV. Be patient, as it usually doesn't take long. Once connected, you will see a prompt or notification confirming that the connection is successful. This confirmation means you are ready to proceed. If prompted, accept the connection on the TV or enter the PIN displayed. This step is crucial for security, ensuring that only devices you authorize can connect to your TV. On your TV screen, you may see a message asking for permission to allow the connection. Accept it by selecting the corresponding option with your remote. If your TV displays a PIN, enter it on your phone. This confirmation process keeps your devices secure and prevents unauthorized access. Once completed, you should receive another confirmation on your phone indicating that you are now connected. Finally, your Android phone screen will appear on the Samsung TV. This is where the magic happens. You can now enjoy viewing photos, videos, or even apps on a larger screen. This feature is fantastic for sharing moments with friends and family or for presentations. It allows for a more immersive experience. Everything you do on your phone will be mirrored on the TV. This means you can scroll through apps, play games, or watch videos seamlessly. Connecting your Android phone to your Samsung TV is a simple and rewarding process. Just remember to keep both devices on the same Wi-Fi network and follow the steps carefully. Now you are ready to enjoy your content on a bigger screen. Happy viewing!